So I'm going to do a fast facial with this incredible local brand, Wildcrafted Organics. The packaging is just so beautiful. I'm starting with the neroli cleansing oil and then a warm muslin. So this wild berry product is a honey cleanse, exfoliant and mask in one. This feels like a blueberry smoothie for the skin. It's so decadent. It uses crushed hibiscus petals and honey enzymes to exfoliate the skin. It's also got maki berry and haliocyte clay, so it really cleanses deeply. This is the wild lime fruit acid peel. I'm just using this on my chin. It's an AHA peel, so it's going to help with these hormonal breakouts. Wild rose, botanical mist. The Wild Plum Illuminating Sea Serum. This is another multi-award winner. This is the Bakuchi oil. Bakuchi oil is a botanical alternative to vitamin A. Really potent. Smell of this wildflower serum. It's a beautiful oil. I'm just going to use this on my neck because I don't want to go over the top of the Bakuchi oil. Everlasting Beauty Balm. It's got rose and Roman chamomile in it. It's beautiful before bed. It feels so juiced up. I've been using these products for weeks and I absolutely adore them. We are doing an article on the site about Wildcrafted Organics, so I will link to it so you can check it out in more detail.